Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a pot roast loaded baked potatoes. And these are the ingredients you're going to need. As you can see, I don't have all my seasoning and none of that's there. So you're going to need a chuck roast right here, 3 potatoes, you're going to need 1 large onion, and you're also going to need 1 large green bell pepper, or whatever kind of bell pepper you want. Alright? You're going to need some cheese, like cheddar cheese or any kind of cheese you prefer. You're going to need 1 pack of Lipton onion soup mix. You're going to need beef broth, 2 cups of that. Alright? So, saying that to say this, I'm going to go ahead and you're going to need a cup of flour, my fault. So, I'm going to go ahead and start seasoning this stuff up. Onion powder, garlic powder, granulated garlic, black pepper, and these are going to be like teaspoons of those, alright? Because we don't want to overwhelm it with beef broth or the onion soup mix, because it's going to have all that stuff in there. So we don't want it to be too salty. And then we're going to flour it up, and then we're going to sear it in the pan, cast iron pan. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. We're going to come in here with a little olive oil. Like so. Move that around. We're going to take our roast. Just put it in there. We're going to cook this for like 5 minutes on each side. This is going to cook, yes, for 5 minutes, guys, on each side. So we can lock in all the flavors, okay? I'm on medium heat. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, we're just going to go ahead and flip this. Just like so. Put that for 5 minutes on that side. And I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Alright fam, this is done. I'm going to take this out. Let the smoke clear a little bit and we start working on our vegetables. My bell peppers and the onions. Turn this around. You're going to need about 3 cups of water. Just to be on the safe side, because we're going to have to let this cook for about 2.5 hours. I'm going to throw my garlic in there, whole and all. Alright, when it sautés up just a little bit more, we're going to put our meat in here and pour our broth on there and cover it up and put it in the oven. See you guys in a minute. Alright fam, I'm back. Going to take our roast and put it in on top of this, just like so. And the crust that you got left over, just throw it on there. Take your onion, beefy onion soup mix, kind of like next this on top of it. Here's my mixture of my bouillon. I used 2 tablespoons of that bouillon, beef bouillon. I'm just going to pour this on top. Now if you have wine, you want to do that too. Alright? That's all you're doing, guys. But it's going to cook for about 2.5 hours. Alright? Just like that. Cover that up and we'll be doing the potatoes. See you guys in a minute. I'm just showing you guys how I'm wrapping it up. Be careful, you gotta let this cool down a little bit because your hands will get burnt. Put this in the oven at 400 degrees and let it cook. Don't even open it up for 2.5 hours. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, go ahead and do these potatoes. Now you can put it in your hand and put it all around there and do it like that if you want to, but if you have room temperature butter, you can just do like this, or you can spread it on the foil. Okay? Just like so. Trust me, that butter will get all over it. Then we take our salt. Like so. Like that, fam. You can wrap it up. Wrap it up like that, but I don't think we're going to be able to do that because I'm cheating. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this just like so, and I'm press down on it, and I'm going to walk it like a dog, just like this. Then we're going to take these ends and seal them up like so, upwards. Just like that. That's how you do your potato. Simple as that. And we're going to put these in there with our pot roast and let them cook. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. It's been cooking for about an hour and a half. I'm just going to take a look at it. You gotta get the first look just like I got. Okay. Now what we're going to do is just flip this over for the next hour. See that gravy in there? All the nice gravy up in there. Alright. And it's tender. But we're going to cook it for another hour. That'll be 2 hours and a half. In a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. That's how they look after 2.5 hours. You're going to need like 2 forks or something like that to tear this apart. As you can see, it's tender. I'm going to let this rest though. You do definitely want to let this rest, guys, because this stuff is super hot. It's been cooking for a long time. Alright? But that's how it looks. And I'm just go ahead and let this rest, and we start putting on our baked potatoes. Alright? These done as well. You see? Really hot. See? So, I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay, fam. I'm back. I'm going to cut this potato like so. I do like to go inside like this. You can use a fork or a knife or a spoon. That's how I like to do mine. Like make like a boat or whatever. Just use this spoon. Like so. And I would probably be having mine with some green beans and carrots and stuff like that, sauteed up. Alright. We're going to come with some butter. A tablespoon of that. Or a teaspoon for each side. Like that. Move that around up in here. Alright. Now I like to come with like this little ranch seasoning. This is optional. You don't have to do this. I like mine to have a little bit more flavor. I'm just sprinkle a little of this ranch seasoning on here. Like so. A little black pepper. I'm gonna put a little Parmesan cheese. You don't have to do it now. I'm just telling you guys, this ain't part of the recipe. I'm just doing mine like that. Alright? Then I'm gonna come in here with some of this cheddar cheese. Just a little bit, not a whole lot. Just like so. I'm gonna take some of my meat we chopped up. Put that on there. That's actually a lot of meat because it's normally closed up like this. Okay. Alright, but that's how you do it, just like that. So just look out for the presentation at the end. See you guys in a minute. Alright, fam, I'm finally done with this pot roast loaded baked potato. Let me show you guys how that looks up close. That's how that looks. And go ahead and let you guys get it. This is my plate right here, guys. Alright, I got some candied carrots right there and some lemon pepper, green beans. So let me let you guys get a taste of this. Ooh, that's a lot of meat right there. Should put it on there? Nah, too much meat for you. Bring it to you. Alright, fam, you get that bite right there. Okay? That's yours all day. Go ahead. All right. I'll go ahead and take that bite for you. Super delicious. If you guys like this recipe, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And that's right, don't you forget. That's right. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. And I'm out of here. Much love and happy cooking.